What we tend to do here is we are a group of young people who get together to kind of learn off each other through creativity and band together as people in similar circumstances. Members of Helium Arts, so Helium itself is a group where creativity changes lives, and they believe in the whole ethos of if you can help someone in need through showing them a creative side of seeing things, it does genuinely help, and I can say from experience that it definitely does, and it has helped me make some friends out of this.
The Helium Arts Youth Advisory Group was set up in the autumn of 2019, working with young people from 14 to 23, 24 years of age. And the role of the Helium Arts Advisory Group is to involve youth voice and ideas in the decision making within the organisation.
So YAG is a way for younger people, mid-teens to early 20s, just being able to talk and communicate and about anything really, literally anything relatable whatsoever, whether it's a condition or well-being or just being in contact with one another, just being able to just talk about it.
I mentally and physically have gone through a lot of stuff, and when somebody says to you, I've been in the same situation, well then you say to yourself, oh, they've been in the same situation, they've been in the same hospital, they've been in the same, they've gone to the same doctors, but then you say to yourself, I can take the weight off my shoulders and have banter with them.
I have been in YAG for about 2 or 3 years now, and I have been a member of Helium Arts for 4 years, I'd say.
All of the Youth Advisory Group are young people living with long-term illness who've previously taken part in the Helium Arts creative programs. So they have a really innate knowledge of Helium Arts and how we work with young people, and they're acting as advocates for other young people in similar situations.
It's very important for people to have that creative outlet. You don't have to be an artist or be Vincent van Gogh. It's all about the process and just learning about a little bit about who you are through the art. And with YAG, it's all about communication and the creativity. And we're all just a big bunch of friends. We're all accepting of each other, and we all understand that we all have different illnesses.
We've been meeting on and off here at IMA for the last 3 years, I suppose more recently working online over Zoom, and through this creative process we want to be able to share what the Youth Advisory Group is about.
It's a great respite for kids with different illnesses. We work with different creative mediums, and we just try and figure out what is different illnesses. We don't think about each other's illnesses that much on the daily, but we learn a bit about each other, and that's the most important part. And your illness doesn't make you, but we've learned so much about each other through the art, and you create connections that, like, even outside of these Helium workshops, we still communicate and we're still friends.
So originally when we first started, a lot of bringing the group together, there were a lot of young people who maybe hadn't worked together before. So we did a lot of creative brainstorming and working on their identity, and to try and build this sense of identity. And even during, the lockdown and everything, we've created this incredible group who are just the most amazing young people who just bring such joy to each other and to us. And you just find that when they meet, there's just such a burst of energy from them, and they're also incredibly empathetic with each other and really kind group. They are amazingly opinionated, which is exactly what you want for your youth advisory group, and any question we ask them, they always have opinions, and it's just been really nice to try and start getting them involved in the decisions that we're making as an organisation.
My hope for YAG is to just keep being what it is, to just keep being a youth advisory group. More and more people are going to have to start attending these meetings who are already in their mid-teens, and it'll just be a growing thing in itself.
I hope that we get to keep creating and, I suppose, connecting the way we are. We're welcoming anybody, don't be afraid. We're a big welcoming friends and family, and just, you don't have to be an artist to be in YAG. Just if you want any sort of creative outlet, through respite maybe, through your illness, but we just want YAG to be outlet for some people.